How to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. So sometimes this airplane option in the control center is not working, and to fix this, you can try some of these adjustments. First, make sure that the device you're trying to connect to is turned on and is connected to the Wi-Fi. Also, make sure that AirPlay is enabled on that other device. Next thing that is recommended is for both devices to connect to the same internet connection. Now, if the AirPlay is still not working, kindly check the version of your iOS. So go to your settings application and update it to the latest version. After this, restart both of the devices. So press the increase button, decrease button, and hold the power button of your iPhone device. Do this to the other device as well. So if you're trying to connect to a computer or a television, just unplug and plug it again. Now, after restarting, your AirPlay should now work. So that is how to fix AirPlay not working on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.